To customize your Trust Wallet installation, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the official website or a trusted app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet or import an existing one. The first step in customizing your Trust Wallet is to set up your wallet's security features. This includes creating a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, navigate to the Settings menu to customize your wallet's display and notification preferences. Here, you can choose which cryptocurrencies to display, set up price alerts, and customize the look and feel of your wallet. Another key aspect of customizing your Trust Wallet is managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. To do this, go to the Portfolio section and add or remove cryptocurrencies as needed. You can also use this section to track your balances, view transaction history, and monitor market trends. To further customize your wallet, explore the dApp browser section, which allows you to interact with various decentralized applications. Here, you can browse and connect to different dApps, such as decentralized exchanges, gaming platforms, and social media networks. In addition to these features, Trust Wallet also allows you to customize your wallet's advanced settings. This includes options such as enabling or disabling testnet mode, setting up a custom gas price, and configuring your wallet's node settings. When customizing your Trust Wallet, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure the security and integrity of your wallet. This includes keeping your wallet and apps up to date, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and being cautious when interacting with unknown dApps or websites. By following these steps and best practices, you can customize your Trust Wallet to meet your specific needs and preferences, while also ensuring the security and integrity of your cryptocurrency portfolio.